So Sunday Funday in the rain, Novato style. We're loading up, getting ready to head out for some tomfoolery. The professor is ready. Hitting the trailhead known as, well, what I jokingly call Kissing Rock, but they call Piping Rock. We're gonna go drive along this area in the rain. Whoa, almost walked off the trail. Whoa, that looks pretty, bro. We've walked, hiked, whatever. We're about to go up there, catch up with my other umbrella fellas. Yeah. Now, how do I get across this? That's the thing. Moving along up what is, wow. Some serious uphilling. Sweet, crazy hillside here. Trees everywhere, hills everywhere. We're going that way. It's gonna be awesome. Look at the sweet valley. Ravine, valley, tree line, mosses, rocks, all down there. We're covering the high side. Oh. I got it. Sort of sweet ridgeline trail. Ridge. Yeah. Woo! Sweet valley in the rain, in the woods. We were standing here in the middle of the woods, Novato, between the valleys and the ridge lines. We're down at the bottom. Team flip over, umbrella hat crew, working our way through. Let's try to carry on. Whoa, we've gotten into the thick of things now. Come on.
get out of your way.
Supposed to climb up that face?
Yeah, you gotta get this edge.
That looks rugged.
Yeah, the hard part is fucking getting around this, because then you gotta go off shoulder. Yeah. Nice actually cut.
Oh, I seem to have succumbed to some sort of radio-related problem. I think that I should have put my bag in a radio, because all this water on the outside of the radio, maybe not so good. These guys are carrying on with the trail procedures. They have bags on the radios, and they are still in operation.
No bag needed, but blew my rear diff, so.
Oh, he's got mechanicals. The professor's up there with a clear bag on his radio that you can't see, and I'm regretting not putting the bag on. So there we go, Sunday Funday in the valleys. I'm foot cutting the trail.
Nerdy now. Oh, there's so much grip with the rain, dude. It's crazy.
You know what it is? It's that Proline rubber, dog.
Yeah, I didn't think it was.
I need a spotter. No.
Yeah, you got that.
Looks like it.
Punch it. Yeah, second gear. Whoa! He's doing tricks. Give it a little. Give it a little more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Yeah. Oh, suck. Not as bad as the handling of the vehicle there.
All right, it's getting pretty deep over there. Like it's swallowing 5-inch tires.
Oh, look at the easy line.
Oh, water coming out of the battery
The
tank.
water's starting to come up into here, actually. Like I'm watching that puddle. Yeah. Like it's gonna break your.
This is awesome.
This is awesome. This is awesome. This is so awesome.
That's the water pump.
And then side hill.
Look at that sidewall wrap. All the traction.
The rear tire. Zoom in on the rear tire, Charlie. Try not to flop it. Try not to flop it.
Try not to stop.
Here comes the moment of truth.
And it turns up.
And he turn up for what?
It's not turned down. It turns up.
Look at all the traction from his cut boggers just launching up the hill. We hiked way the hell in here, and we've been hiking out for a while now. And we're trying to find the way out. Out. It's pretty steep, pretty burly. We gotta go across that. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it again. Blow it harder.
Blow hard. More harder.
Everett's looking at your balls.
What?
He's staring right at your balls.